In this guide, I'm going to show you guys how to fix error something went wrong 1076 code on Gemini. Let's get started. The very first thing you want to do is start a new chat. If only one conversation shows error 1076, that chat may be corrupted or have exceeded processing limits. Next, refresh or reload the page. Likewise, you can try to switch between Gemini models. This can force Gemini to create a new processing session. Next, clear cache and cookies for the Gemini. Click on this icon. Select cookies and site data. Click on manage site device on site data. Click on the trash icon for Gemini and reload the page. With these, your problem might be fixed. If not, you can try incognito mode. Click on three dots, select the option New Incognito window. Now head over to the website of Gemini and use it. Next, disable any extension. For that, head back. Now click on three dots. Select the option Manage Extensions. From here, you can disable or remove any of the extension that might be causing the issue. By following these steps, you should be good to go. Your error should be gone. If this guide was helpful, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe.